What's up, guys? Things to do in Phu Quoc, Vietnam. Hit the intros.
Grandwonders. This place shares a similar fate to Halong Bay in the northern Vietnam. It was developed with tourists in mind, but they never really came. The area has a cool French-European design vibe, making it fun to walk around, but it feels more like a husk than the vibrant, lively destination it was intended to be. Around 80% of the buildings remain empty, whether business spaces, hotels, hostels or other establishments. Food prices here are a bit steep compared to non-touristy areas, which can be disappointing. That said, it's still 100% worth a visit, especially since its free buses stop here. Just don't expect much beyond the surface level charm of its architecture. North Beach Bai Zai. A beautiful beach located in the northwest of the island just past the theme park. This area is home to some nice resorts and is packed with holidaymakers. Staying here isn't cheap, but the price is well worth it if you value personal pools, beachfront access, beach bars, and a touch of luxury. The beach also offers a range of reasonably priced activities, including paragliding, jet skiing, beach volleyball, and snorkeling. Despite its popularity, it never feels overly crowded, making it a fantastic spot to spend the day. VinWonders Phu Quoc. Now, this is a really cool theme park, on par with Halong Bay's attractions in North Vietnam, and even comparable to Western theme parks. It features roller coasters, Ferris wheels, and other adrenaline-pumping rides. This makes it perfect for thrill seekers looking for quality attractions. There are also dedicated children's areas and exploration zones, making it a fantastic spot for a family day out. This park isn't overly busy, so the wait times for rides are minimal, usually no more than 15 minutes. In some cases, you may even need to wait for enough people to fill a ride. For adrenaline junkies and those that hate long lines, this is the perfect place for you. The Aquarium. Nestled within VinWonders theme park, this incredible aquarium is housed inside a massive turtle-shaped building. Inside, you'll find fascinating underwater shows featuring divers in the tanks, alongside a stunning variety of Asian exotic fish and sea life. Make sure to set aside at least an hour to explore this. Expect to see stingrays, baby sharks, jellyfish, penguins, little Nemos, and some seriously big fish. There's something for everyone here. And the best part? Entry is free with your theme park ticket. The Teddy Bear Museum. Now this is a fun little spot to spend an hour or two blending history with a teddy bear theme. It's not for everyone, but since it was included in our multi-day ticket for the safari and theme park, we decided to check it out, and we're glad we did. Normally, entry costs are about 300,000 dong. However, if you have some spare time or are traveling with kids, it's a cute and enjoyable stop. But if you're a grown adult into, well, grown-up stuff, you might want to skip this one. Italy Town. In the south of the island, you'll find a massive development designed to replicate Italy. With Roman-style statues, Colosseum-inspired buildings, and an overall Italian vibe, this is a really cool place to explore for the day. The highlight? The insane end-of-the-day show called Kiss of the Sun, followed by the fireworks and and a stunning light show later in the evening to finish. Tickets can be pricey, but if you know where to look, there are a few free vantage points around the town to catch the action. Highly recommend coming just for the shows. Even spending an afternoon or a full day here is worthwhile. That said, it does give off Grandwonders vibes, another huge ambitious development with lots of empty buildings. Cable car ride. This is the longest cable car in the world, stretching 7.6 kilometers across 4 to 5 islands before reaching the final stop, Hon Thom, home to Sun World Amusement. The 20-minute ride itself is smooth, scenic, and super enjoyable. The island at the end is still under development a bit, but it has huge future potential. Some of the completed buildings already give off a Greek-inspired vibe, adding to the charm. Tickets cost 700,000 dong for a round trip, which is pretty reasonable considering it includes access to the water park and a few additional rides on the island. Definitely worth it for the views alone, let alone the extras on top. VinWorld Safari. The safari is a great option for anyone looking for a non-African safari experience. It offers a wide variety of animals, from cute herbivores to well-known carnivores and kings of the jungle. The park has a great vibe and the entry price is pretty reasonable. Like any other zoo or safari, the animals are kept in enclosures, but what sets this one apart is the safari experience and the chance to feed select animals, including lemurs and giraffes, which are a lot of fun. It's easily a half a day or a full day outing and definitely worth visiting while you're on the island.
Yeah, it's a giraffe! Yeah!
Phu Quoc Night Market. A really cool night market with some amazing smoothies. We found ourselves coming here twice daily just for the mango, avocado and coconut smoothies. They were that good. The market is also packed with fresh seafood, street food and plenty of tourist finds. Prices are reasonable for a tourist market, though expect to pay about 20% more than if you walked a few minutes away. That said, it's always lively and buzzing every night, making it a fun place to explore. Accommodation and places to stay. The north, where Grand World is, and the south, where the Italy themed town is, are both expensive since they are new build tourist areas. We stayed in Duong Dong, which is right in the middle of the island. From here, it's only a 30-minute drive, both north or south, to reach the main tourist spots. It's also affordable with night markets, amenities, and easy access to transport. Our hotel was $15 per night, and that's just below the average price for the area. Frequent buses run from here to the boat port, as well as around the island, making it a super convenient place to stay. The food. The food in Phu Quoc is similar to the rest of Vietnam, with plenty of pho, rice dishes, street food, smoothies, Korean cuisine, and the occasional Western option. The beaches. The beaches in Phu Quoc vary drastically. You could find yourself on a stunning beach with soft sand, crystal clear blue water, and a warm, relaxing vibe. Or you could end up on a beach littered with rubbish, murky water, and not the most inviting atmosphere. Because of this inconsistency, Phu Quoc isn't the best destination if you're purely after that beach island paradise experience. If that's what you're looking for, you're better off heading to another island nearby, like Koh Rong in Cambodia. Buses and transport. Keeping this short and sweet, there are 3 bus routes on the island and they are always free. Do not let the taxi drivers at the boat port tell you it's just for the locals. This is lies, it's for everybody. The vibe. The vibe on Phu Quoc is basically Vietnam, just on an island. Simple as that. It's very similar to Da Nang, in the middle of Vietnam, just a little bit different. The locals behave pretty much as they do in mainland Vietnam. Some are friendly, some aren't, some of them keep to themselves. It's just luck of the draw. However, I had no problems with anyone here whilst I was here. Overall, Phu Quoc was amazing. For those that want an affordable holiday away while still getting the Vietnamese cultural experience, this is the place for you. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for our weekly tour guides in Southeast Asia. Much love from Man Pander.
Oh, hello. Yes.